Good morning, students. Welcome to the virtual class of computers, class 5th, lesson number 4, writing with styles and colors in OpenOffice Writer. Introduction. Formatting refers to changing the appearance of text in the document. What do you mean by formatting? To do some changes in your text in respect of writing style, color, their size, and it could be bold, italic or underline. We can format the characters in writing using any one of these options. We have three options through which we can format the characters. Formatting toolbar, format menu, character and character dialog box will open. This is the character dialog box, and third one is shortcut keys. To customize any toolbar, you need to click on Tools menu, then Customize. This is the Customize and this is the toolbar, and these are the toolbar options. First is Styles and Formatting. This option is Style and Formatting. It specifies whether to show or hide the Styles and Formatting window, which is where you can assign and organize styles. Second is Apply Style. Assign a style to the current paragraph, selected paragraph, or to a selected object. Third is it allows to, this is the name of the font, and by clicking on this down arrow key, there are so many different types of fonts are there and you can change the font. This is the font size. You can change the font size. Look, this is the font uh, lower font and this is the increased 72 font, but we can increase the 72 font to 100, 110, 120, whatever we want. This we already know, bold, italic and underline. It is used to make the text a little bit darker than the previous text. Italic, cursive writing and underline the text. This is superscript. It reduces the font size to the selected text and raises the text above the baseline. Superscript, like if we put the power a square, b square, and this is the subscript. Reduces the font size of the selected text and raises the text below the baseline, like H2O or CO2. If we have to write these types of science formulas, then we can take the help of this subscript and superscript. This is the increase font size and the decrease font size. With the help of this icon, you can increase the size of the font. And I already told you that 11th number, that is reduce font, it will shrink the font size. 12th, this is the font color. If you want to change the color of the text, then select the text and click on this button. This is the highlighter. If we want to highlight something on your book or on your writer page, then we use different color sketch pen. In the same way, this is the highlighter. This is the background color. If you want to change the background color of a paragraph or of a line, then we can select this. This is the character dialog box. By clicking on this, your character dialog box will open. Format paintbrush tools. Format paintbrush tool is used to copy formatting from a text selection in writer or from an object and apply the same formatting to another text selection or an object. It means if we have done any change in the color and size of the font and underline or put some effects also, then if we will apply, click on this button, this is the format paintbrush button, then it will copy all the formatting changes. It will copy the formatting changes and when we click on the same brush on it, the same changes will appear here. The same size, bold, italic, underline, same color, same background color, same font style. Spelling and grammar. We can manually check the spelling and grammar of a selected text, but OpenOffice Writer has also given a feature of checking the spelling and grammar by clicking on Tools, Spelling and Grammar option. Thank you.